Hi, my name is Daniel Monforti and I'm an application engineer with Regal Technologies, and today I will be introducing our new software, S1501 Ultra Load, which will help you remotely control your electronic load. To begin with, in order to demonstrate Ultra Load, I'm going to interface the software with the load itself. I just go up here and click on Interface. Next, I can choose between GPIB, the communication port, LAN connection, and USB to interface with the software. For this, I'm going to be using the USB port and the cable provided. And then I'm just going to highlight and connect. Next, just a couple things to walk around with the software itself. We've got our graph over here, which is showing the actual captured power along with voltage and current levels and resistance over time. And here is your 0 point, and this is going to be your ending point, and these two time values will change. Next, it's also showing our maximum, minimum, and average values of those three being captured, or those four actually. We can also choose to record, pause the recording, zoom in, and zoom out if needed to. Next, we're going to go over the four sort of static modes. Those include constant power, constant resistance, constant voltage, and constant current. And as we walk through them, you can see that the highlight will change. So just to demonstrate it, I'm actually going to set the current for 10 amps here, and then I'm just going to turn on the load itself, and we're going to see a spike up in both power and the current level in green and the power in purple. With the current level starting to be drawn, our voltage will remain constant. We can also change this level by going in and setting it to 5, and then we'll see it drop down, both power level and current level, and our voltage will also remain constant. Next, the four sort of transient states. We can choose between continuous, pulse, toggle, list, and then we also have an auto test feature to automate testing. Say you want to do some battery testing overnight, you can set this up, set your different thresholds you want it to step through, either if you want to do just a constant power drain or do more or less alternating power, you could totally set it up to do it. But for, say, the toggle state, we can go in just like on the load itself, we can choose our level A, level B. So let's change level A to, let's go with 10 amps, and we'll keep level B at 1 amp. And then I can turn this on again, and just like on the instrument itself, in order to trigger the event, I hit the tran button, and we'll see a spike up here until I trigger it to turn off. And now we'll see it decrease once again, and we can continue the function just like how it would on the load itself. Next up, there's also a virtual panel that comes with this piece of software, which looks rather similar to the front panel of the load and allows you all the same sort of functions with your four sort of static states, your transient states, along with your 3 application states. When you are using the virtual front panel, say you wanted to enter a number into, say, constant current mode, you would actually have to use the arrows to arrow over here, and then you can change this, say, to 2 amps. You actually have to use the number pad, and you do have to hit OK. And then we can turn that on just to show you, and here we'll see roughly 2 amps come up. Our voltage will still remain the same, and we can also short it out here as well. Also, additionally, the UltraLoad software allows you to save the data that you've been captured. You can save it into an Excel file, so you can view it later for post-analysis if needed for your long-term testing. S1501 UltraLoad software is an excellent piece of free software that is designed to allow users to seamlessly interface and control their electronic load. If you have any questions regarding this product or the products seen in this video, please contact us at Regal or visit regalna.com for more details.